Welcome to 4 Drive Time, your destination for cars, safety, and real crash test results. In today's video, we take a quick but detailed look at the official Euro NCAP crash test results for the 2026 Mazda CX-5, one of the most popular compact SUVs worldwide. Euro NCAP applies some of the strictest crash testing standards in the industry, designed to reflect real-world accident scenarios. And the Mazda CX-5 delivers a strong and confident performance. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 scored an impressive 90% for adult occupant protection. In both frontal and side impact tests, the passenger compartment remained stable, offering good protection for critical areas such as the head, chest, and legs for both front occupants. In terms of family safety, the CX-5 achieved an 89% rating for child occupant protection. It earned maximum points in crash tests using 6- and 10-year-old child dummies, supports ISOFIX and ISOFIX systems, and automatically disables the front airbag when a child seat is detected. One of the strongest results comes in protecting pedestrians and cyclists, with an outstanding 93% score. The advanced autonomous emergency braking system can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, working effectively day and night to help prevent or reduce accident severity. In the safety assist category, the Mazda CX-5 scored 83%, thanks to features like lane keeping assist, driver attention monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. Overall, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 offers a well-balanced safety package, combining strong crash protection with modern driver assistance technology. If safety is a top priority, the Mazda CX-5 proves to be a solid and trustworthy SUV. This is 4 Drive Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crash tests and safety reviews.